Imagine this. You're driving to your favorite restaurant when on the way you see this sign. You don't think too much about it. You take the turn and you're thinking about the food that you're going to order when suddenly, bam, the road just ends. You're flying through the air going, why? That is exactly what your customers feel like when they want to visit your site, but a hacker has put a WordPress redirect hack on it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Julian, and today in 2-minute tutorials, I'm going to talk about the WordPress redirect hack. This is one of the most common hacks of our time, but goes undetected 90% of the time. It can redirect your customers to a spammy website. It can destroy your SEO rankings. It can even hold your entire site hostage by taking over. Today, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you the easiest, fastest, and most reliable way to push out this hack from your website and clean your website without breaking anything. Step 1 is about what not to do. Don't depend on site-level security scanners because it's a very weak check. They'll show you a lot of false positives, scan at a site level instead of a server level, and not detect malicious files hidden deep in the code. Yes, you might get a few bad links to clean, but the hackers may still have access to your site through unclean files, undetected backdoors, and so on. Also, don't try a manual cleanup because even seasoned WordPress professionals know that manual cleanups can miss things because they are quite complex to execute and can also take a lot of time because there's a lot of ground to cover. Now, step 2 is about what to actually do. Find a reliable malware scanner and cleaner that has a cutting-edge algorithm, doesn't charge per cleanup, and is powerful enough to give reliable protection against all current and future issues. This is exactly what Malcare is. Now, full disclosure, Malcare is our product, and I'm going to be 100% honest with you. There are other security plugins that you can use, which are better than trying an online scanner or a manual cleanup. But you lose time, which is crucial because hacks worsen exponentially by the minute. See, these plugins have backend teams that do a manual cleanup, which takes a few days at a minimum, leading to potentially untold amounts of damage to your site in that time. You lose money since hackers attack multiple times, and some of these plugins charge per cleanup. You lose effectiveness because most of them will overlook backdoors left by the hacker. Now, over 100,000 websites use Malcare because we offer one-click scan and cleanup backed by a constantly updated learning algorithm, unlimited cleanups included in an affordable subscription fee, and a deeply thorough scan and cleanup with the best protection against multiple future attacks. But don't take my word for it. I'll put a link in the description which you can use for unlimited free scans to check out the sheer effectiveness of Malcare's algorithm. And that's my 2 minutes. I hope this video helps you and your clients. If you have any questions about this or any other hack, just comment below and I'll help you out. If you want more in-depth information about this hack, I'll put a link in the description to a detailed blog post about this. My name is Julian, I'm your friendly neighborhood geek, and I'll see you again next week.